Hi G-Mamas! Today is a very important day. At my stage of 36 weeks, just 4 weeks to go to my due date, I can no longer reach my toes and do my nails. And in times of Corona, all the nail salons are closed. So what happened now? I want to have my nails done and I will teach my husband how to do my nails. Mind you that I have pre-corona gel on my toenails. So he will need to know how to remove the gel and put new nail polish on my feet. And that can be helpful to you too, and to your husband or your partner, to support you to be gorgeous and looking cute during your pregnancy when you can no longer do it yourself. So the first thing that you have to do is to convince him to do it, but you need to be very kind and very gentle. So come with me and I will see what my husband is doing. Hey, come and do my nails.
Yes. Profumosa.
Grazie marito. Love you.